It's all in our hands, this life of time that's given to us all. It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands. With every field and rising sea, can hear the sounds of all, and with every change we'll always be where hope's not lost but found. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands. And we know the change will surely come. Baby, one more trip around the sun. But we'll gather here where land meets sea, where we can be as one. And we know the change will surely come. Baby, one more trip around the sun, and we'll gather here where land meets sea, where we can be as one. It is all in our hands.
Lazy days with you are the best days, when I can curl up in your arms and just breathe you in your touch. It does something to me, it lets me know that I'm not cheap. When time's not on our side, and friends they come and go, my love for you remains, and you'll never let me go. You know I'll never love another quite like I love you, my favorite one. Been tried and tested, we made it through, and I'll do
Yesterday I fell asleep at night. I woke up in a spaceship traveling at the speed of light. Everything feels so misplaced. The sky is at my feet and the ground above my head. I'm landing on a star with little flying cars, but I feel like I already know this place. It was the first time our eyes collided. I wish that I could see your face again. I think I fell in love with an alien. I wish that I could see her face again. I think I fell in love with an alien. She showed me how to talk without words. Spread my arms, close my eyes, and take off like a bird. And I'm landing on a star with a little flying cars, but I feel like I already know this place. It was the last time I